What if your degree could prepare you to solve global problems and make a lasting impact? It starts with a deeper understanding of the world. At Dallas International University, our BA in Global Affairs equips students with the tools to engage complex global issues through courses in political science, economics, and cultural studies. You'll choose from two 12-credit regional concentrations and gain hands-on experience through the Global Impact Internship, working with globally focused organizations. Graduates are prepared for impactful careers in business, international nonprofits or ministry, diplomacy, and beyond. What sets Global Affairs at DIU apart is our Christ-centered community of faculty and scholars who bring lived experience from more than 60 countries. Their global perspective, rooted in academic excellence and a deep commitment to Scripture, shapes every part of your education. With affordable tuition, generous scholarships, and live Zoom classes, you can complete your degree wherever you are, on campus in Dallas or online from across the globe. At DIU, we believe the future of Christian higher education is global and relational. If you're looking to connect with a global learning hub that combines academic rigor with a biblical foundation, you'll find your place here. Learn more about the Global Affairs program by visiting our website or speaking with an admissions counselor. We'll be in touch soon.